There's just one word that acts as a key to unlock your aspirations, and I'm about to reveal it. Picture this: everything you want, like a dream home, a fancy car, loads of money, great relationships, or top-notch health. They're all powered by energy. Even Einstein said, there's no matter, only spirit or energy condensed atoms, showing how fundamental energy is. Think of your desires as magnetic, with your vibe acting like a magnetic field. Like magnets, your energy either attracts or repels what you want. It's like a big energy dance. So, here's the word you need: energy. You might have heard it before, but truly understanding it can change everything. You're more than just a body, you're a bundle of energy. The thoughts and feelings you put out shape your reality. To bring your desires to life, you need to tune into the right energy frequency. It's all about this energy game. Let me share my journey with you. I read a lot about energy and magnetism, but it was like trying to understand a foreign language. Then I had a moment of clarity. I asked myself if I was aligning with the idea of attracting what I wanted. I wanted success so badly as a writer and YouTuber, but I was drowning in debt. I begged the universe to make it work. Then I realized that my thoughts and feelings were sending out vibes that weren't helping. So I changed my mindset. Instead of hoping for success, I started saying affirmations like, I'm a money magnet, everything's going awesome, I'm healthy, I'm brilliant, and I make wise moves. I thanked the universe every day for boosting my success. And you know what? It worked. I started attracting good things into my life. It's like tuning into a new frequency where everything falls into place perfectly. So, ask yourself, are you vibing with what you desire, or are you pushing it away without realizing it? It's like magnetism in action. Think of your desires as energies waiting to be aligned with, like tuning a radio to the right frequency. You have the power to reshape your energy and become a magnet for your dreams. It starts with your thoughts and feelings, shaping your electromagnetic field. Embracing gratitude rewires your being to resonate with the future you want. When you're thankful for what you have, it strengthens your energy. So, remember, you're the architect of your reality, vibrating in harmony with your desires. It's all about tweaking your frequency pattern to attract what you want effortlessly. Every thought we have carries its own energy, like different radio stations. Some thoughts give off low vibes that last longer, while others give off quick bursts of high vibes. I decided to change my mindset. Instead of doubting myself with thoughts like I hope and I don't know, I started saying positive things like I attract success. Everything is going well. I'm healthy and smart. I thanking the universe every day for helping me succeed. I started attracting good things easily. It felt like I was on a winning streak. Think about the energy these thoughts give off. They're positive and powerful. So I asked myself, am I thinking in line with what I want? Imagine yourself as a magnet, with all your desires waiting to be attracted. It's like tuning into a new frequency. So I wondered, am I on the same wavelength as my desires? Are my thoughts, feelings, and actions bringing in or pushing away what I want? You've probably heard Einstein's famous quote, match the frequency of the reality you want, and you'll get it. It's not just a fancy saying, it's like physics. Ask yourself, am I vibing with what I want, or am I pushing it away without realizing it? It's like the dance of magnetism happening in your life. Let's look at things in a new way. Instead of seeing your desires as things you don't have yet, think of them as vibes you're trying to connect with. It's all about tuning into the right frequency, shifting those hidden beliefs and emotions so you naturally attract what you want. Just think about the power of one word, energy. It's like your own special magic shaping the world around you. But here's the catch, is your energy lining up with what you truly want, pulling it closer like a magnet? Or is it pushing away the things you long for? Let's change our view for a moment. Instead of seeing desires as distant objects, think of them as vibrations, energy waiting to be tuned into. It's like finding the perfect radio station. And here's the exciting part. You have the ability to change your energy to become a magnet for your deepest desires. It all starts with your thoughts, feelings, and attitudes. Every part of you contributes to the energy you give off. It's like giving your subconscious a makeover, reprogramming it to effortlessly attract what you want. When you think about the word energy, it sparks something inside you, right? Everything you have and everything you want has its own energy. Having a strong intention is crucial. It's like having a big goal or desire that gives you the energy to go after it. When you're doing something you love and it feels right, everything seems to fall into place perfectly, almost like magic. But sometimes, if you're struggling with certain experiences, it could be because of past influences, like from a previous life or your upbringing. Some people might have made commitments in their past lives, like promising to live in poverty or remain single. But there are also other reasons why life's challenges can feel overwhelming. Imagine your mind and emotions as a field where you can feel good and understand things better. This field needs to be clear, stable, and strong. And there's more to it. It's like peeling back layers to reveal something even deeper, the power of gratitude. Here's the real game changer. You need to train every part of yourself to move in harmony with your desires. Your brain, your mind, your very essence should pulse with the rhythm of what you want, just as Einstein imagined. Now, on to the second key concept. It's all about maintaining that positive energy, keeping it flowing in the right direction. Your brain, remarkable as it is, tends to dwell on past experiences, stuck in old patterns that don't align with your current goals. But don't worry, you can change this by practicing gratitude. Yes, you heard that right. By embracing gratitude, you're rewiring your entire being to resonate with the future you desire. It's about looking beyond what's tangible, understanding that the world is filled with energy just waiting for you to tap into it. When you express gratitude to the universe for what you already have, you're signaling to your mind that you possess everything you need. This strengthens your energy even more. Remember, being grateful can bring about positive changes in your life. Consider this. If Einstein himself proposed that matter is simply condensed energy, then the possibilities are limitless. You hold the ability to shape your electromagnetic field, molding it into the perfect channel for your dreams. Envision yourself as a magnet, pulsing with energy, capable of attracting or repelling the realities you desire. It's like flipping a switch, effortlessly shifting from blocking to harmonizing with what you want. The key is adjusting your frequency pattern. You're like a cosmic magnet, drawing circumstances, people, and emotions that align perfectly with your deepest desires. Recognize the power within you. You're the creator of your reality. So, my friend, visualize yourself as this universal magnet. Reflect. Are you vibrating in sync with the energy you long for? Are you aligned with the universe? Simply by embracing universal energy and gratitude, you invite abundance into your life. If you're enjoying this video, share your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button, and subscribe for more episodes. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment below and let's continue the conversation.